How to find your Caesars Rewards number if you lost your card. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Caesars Rewards website. Click on Sign In at the top right, then click on Sign In. After you have pressed on Sign In here, add your rewards number, then press on Forgot Password. After you've clicked on Forgot Password, it will lead you to this page. Add your Caesars Rewards number again. Then press on Submit. After you do this, code will be sent. Add your code that is sent to your mail and press on Submit. And after you submit, you'll be logged into your account and there you'll find your number as well. This is how to find your Caesars Rewards number if you lost your card. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.